Hit the clock, 6 a.m. Feel so far from where I've been. I got my eggs and my pancakes too. Got the maple syrup, everything but you. I break the yolks and make a smiley face, kind of like it in my brand new place. I wipe the spots off of the mirror, don't leave the keys in the door. I never put wet towels on the floor anymore, 'cause dreams last for so long, even after you're gone. And I know that you love me, and soon you will see you were meant for me. I was meant for you. I called my mama, she was out for a walk, consoled a cup of coffee, but it didn't wanna talk. So I picked up the paper, it was more bad news. My heart's being broken, more people being used. But I'm not cold in the pouring rain. I saw a movie, it just was not the same. 'Cause it was happy, I was sad, made me miss you. Oh, so bad, 'cause dreams last for so long, even after you're gone. And I know that you love me, and soon you will see you were meant for me. I was meant for you. I go about my business, I'm doing just fine. Besides, what would I say if I had you on the line? Same old story, not much else to say. Hearts are broken every day. Oh. I brush my teeth, put the cap back on. I know you hate it when I leave the light on. So pick a book up, turn the sheets down, take a deep breath. I could look around, put on my PJs and hop into bed. I'm half alive, but I feel mostly dead. Try and tell myself it'll be alright. Just shouldn't think anymore tonight, 'cause